Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to secure a shower curtain rod to your drywall. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, a pencil, and some metal drywall anchors. The first step of installing it is to go ahead and get your mounting bracket, put it right where you want to go, take your pencil, put it through the holes, and mark those holes. Now we will take our metal drywall anchors, and these are self-drilling, so we'll go ahead and put it right on our mark and screw it into place. You want to put your drywall anchors to where they're flush with the drywall. That way you get as much of the threads into the drywall as possible. Now we're ready to take the screws that they've provided with our anchors, put our bracket right on top of our anchors, and drill it into place. Now you'll go ahead and install it like this on the other side, put your rod in, and the job's done. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.